Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to use My Network, jobs, and how to see messages and notifications. So these four these four options we will look in this class, like how to use these things. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my profile, LinkedIn profile. So in the LinkedIn, you'll be having My Network. After beside the home, then click on My Network. See here, there will be Manage My Network, right? So you can see all the connections that you have. So you are having so many of connections you have. So you can, if you want to message it, you can message to the respective person. So we are having lots of connections. Approximately 90 plus people are there in our connections. So you can connect to some person and can say hi. Hi, Sai. It's great connecting with you. We both worked with Moltech. How you happy? So send. So you can send messages like this, and you can chat with the numbers. This is how My Network works. Like this is your network. You will be having all the networks here. So you can go connect with your members. So now you can click on jobs portal, and you will be having you can update your preferences. Click on update preferences. So you can edit your job title, location types, location on-site, location remote, start date, and recruiters. You can edit. So you can update your preferences, and you can having explore opportunities, like you'll be having different types of companies. You can apply for these roles, and you'll be having hiring in your network, and you'll be having jobs where you are top applicant. So all these options will be there in the jobs portal. And the first option, My Jobs, will be there. So click on My Jobs. So see, so what I have applied, all these jobs will be there, and you'll be in progress. So there is no in progress, and what is active. So no, there is no recent job activity, and what is saved. So these will be the options and in jobs profile. So on preferences. So you can preference you have written the open to work, right? That means you are ready to work in any company, and you'll be getting job alerts and my qualification, your resumes and application data. You can update your applications and skill demonstrations and verifications. Verification helps enhance your profile's credibility and trust in a job search. So you can verify it. Yeah, verify. So click on resume and application data. So see your resume, and you can upload your resume, and you can click on this. And you will be having skill assessments. Yeah. LinkedIn skill assessments are no longer available. So you can update your profile skills and update your profile skills, like you are like I'm having HTML5 knowledge, cascading styles, React Native, and YouTube creation, and I'm a prompt engineer also. That's why I have added all the skills here. So if you have any skills, you can add in this area, in this area, and you'll be having interview preparation. So perform your best interview and next interview. See the most common interview questions. Learn how to approach answers from experts and hiring management. View examples of strong answers with LinkedIn Premium. Practice your answers and get feedback. So these are the some points to help in the interview process. See here, you will be having top 25 questions. You can access it. You can access it. So you will be having so much of answers here. You can unlock it. You can unlock it. So you can unlock it by using premiums. I had used premium for a personal use. I had used part of job. So are you interested in premium for work or personal use? You can choose the options, or you can choose others, and you can click on search job with conversation head, and click on find jobs where I drop to applicant. So you will be having, you have to try it for now, and you can buy it for your team. So these are the options are there, and you'll be having what is the strength, what is the greatest weakness, why should we hire you, why do you want to work here, tell me about time you have showed leadership. So all these things are basic interview questions. You can search in this LinkedIn, and if you don't have any good answers, you can take these questions and you can search in Google. You'll get the perfect answers. You can help. You can get help from the Google also. And these are the interview preparation and job seeker guidance. So you'll be having, I want to improve my resume, and I want to improve my LinkedIn profile page. I want to get a referral, and how you can. I will choose. I want to get a referral. So job seekers with refers 4x more like to get hired. Asking for a referral isn't always easy. These short actionable steps are helpful. So some key takeaways are: who to ask for a reference, recommendation, or to referral 2 minutes. So this is the course you will having how to leverage references, recommendation, referrals to advance your career. Click on this. So you have to buy this course and start my free month. So if you access this in, try it for $0. Like you have to buy with $0 with your credit card details. Then your after 1 month, the respective amount will be debited from your credit card and the course will be activated. So you can access these courses in LinkedIn. So these are all about job seeker guidances. This is all about jobs, and we are having messaging. So as we know, I have a message to this person, so he has to message to me, and I have a good conversation with this Raj Prabhu. So these are my basic conversation with my colleagues, like not colleagues, is my connections and LinkedIn. So this is how we can do messaging, and we can send GIF and emojis and galleries files to that person. So this is how we can message in LinkedIn, and you'll be having notifications. So if you want any notification, you get notified. Steer the interview towards your postal by asking the career option. Career coach says you appeared in 6 searches this week, and so Nakasura Yadav reposted a photo. So you'll be having he posted something. So these are the 30 AI tools that will help you in the uh, optimize your resume. Something you have posted, so you can see in these notifications. See in this notification. So whatever the notification you want, if you want to apply for JavaScript developers, you'll be having some notification about the JavaScript developers, and you can search and you can easily apply to the job. See here, I will apply to the job. So this is my next. I will click on next. This is my resume. Next. And how many years of experience on Node.js, and I will tell one. Notice period is greater than n days. Once shortlisted, can you join immediately? Join, or you can mention 0 and review and submit application. Submit application. So this is how we can apply to the different roles in LinkedIn. So you'll be having different jobs. So you can see how people jobs, post companies, schools. You can choose on this like past 2 days, past 1 month, past week, past 24 hours, and you can check remote onset you want, or you want remote, or you want hybrid. I want three. I selected all three. and what the range you want, and what's the experience level. What is the experience level you have? I have associate, so I will click on associate and show results. Based upon the associate, you will get the basic companies here, so that you can apply to all these companies. And you'll be having companies across our consulting, and you'll be having easy apply. So you can apply all this to this, like you can apply all these companies to your companies in LinkedIn, and you'll be having company details, crossover expert, talent matrix. If you want to add some company like Mauritech, you can add it. You can add it. So you can add it. Then so that you can show results based upon it. And you'll be having all filters, and you'll be having sort by most relevant, date posted, experience level, and company, and distance, how much distance you want, and you'll be having under 10 applicants in your and your network. So all these things will be there. You can research all these things. So this is all about jobs, my network, messaging, and notification. So I hope you understand, like you got a basic understanding of my network, jobs, messaging, and notification, and how to apply jobs in LinkedIn. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.